G'day and welcome to Question of the Week. This is where my clients in the interview rooms are asking questions that I think might be relevant to many people out there. So this week we're looking at some questions I had regarding the revised terms around the pensioner loan scheme. So one of my clients was, once he turns pension age, was keen to look at some of the options that he had to draw down or utilise some of the equity in his home that he's currently got, and utilise that money to top up his fortnightly Centrelink age pension. Now, one of the issues that he had was that he already has a loan, so the bank has a loan and has the security of that property already, so that precludes him from participating in the pension loan scheme, because the government, who will pay out the money, the top up to an extra 50% on top of what he's receiving at the moment as a full pension, they are going to take security over that home, but they're not going to, obviously the bank who currently has a debt and security is not going to share that security with another entity. So for him, that was not going to work. He would need to clear that debt and have free title to be able to use the pensioner loan scheme. There's a calculation based on your age, where if you've got a property worth, say, $180,000 or thereabouts, based on your age, there's a calculation that shows how much you can take out. So of a valuation of, say, 170, 180, it might be around that $45,000 to $50,000 that you can take out as a maximum over a period of time. So there's plenty of flexibility here, but of course in their calculations they're making things pretty conservative to make sure that people are never going to be in a position where they've drawn down more than what their properties are worth. So the younger you are, the amount of money you can borrow is the maximum amount of money you can borrow will be less, because they are applying compounding interest over time. So that's the pensioner loan scheme. Just a quick bit of feedback on a scenario that I dealt with this week. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you soon. Cheers.